head down, shuffle my feet. You'll never get the best of me. Your sticks and your stones.
This drink, we're going to make the Mojito. This is Cuba's national drink, and it is perfect for the hot weather, the sandy beaches, and just anytime drinking, really. Perfect sessionable all-day drink. This is a classic blend of rum, lime, sugar with some herbaceous mint in there to really add the freshness. To make this drink, we're actually going to build it in the glass itself. So to start with, just got some freshly picked mint. Already taken it off the stems. I've got about 10 to 12 leaves. I'm just going to give it a bit of a slap that just releases some of the aroma. And then I'm going to put that in the glass. Next, we've actually got some wedges of lime. So I've got 4 lime wedges that I'm putting into the glass. And now I'm actually going to use sugar syrup. You can use regular sugar in this point. They do that in Cuba. But to make the cocktail easier to muddle, we're actually going to use our sugar syrup. And it makes it a little bit more consistent too. So we're going to add 0.75 or 3/4 of an ounce of sugar syrup. Like so. We're going to take our sort of wooden bat. It's called a muddler, many different types of muddler. But the idea of this is we're going to put it in the glass, and we're just going to hold the stem of the glass for safety. And we're just going to gently press down. So I'm applying pressure, but I'm not trying to whack it down and smash the glass. I'm just sort of pushing down and slightly twisting. Now I've released all the lime juice from there, and I've sort of macerated the herbs, the lime, and the sugar all together. From there, we're going to add some crushed ice. Got my crushed ice. Now I'm going to add the rum. So I'm going to do 2 ounces of white rum. Okay, once we got the rum, I'm going to just take a bar spoon, and we just want to sort of give it a bit of a stir. We want to bring up that mint and lime that's on the bottom. We just want to bring it up so it goes all through the drink. So just using my spoon, just bringing the spoon around and up and down, just mixing the mint and lime throughout the drink. Once we've done that, I'm going to take our soda, and we're just going to free pour about 1 ounce of soda. It is a tall drink, so we just lengthen it, like so. Now we just want to finish it and make the drink look fantastic, give it great presentation. So we're going to top it up with more crushed ice. Like so. We got like a nice crushed ice cone on top. Pick a fresh mint sprig. So we've got a sprig here. Again, just give it a bit of a slap. Just allows the mint aroma to come off. Take a fresh lime wedge so the guests could squeeze more lime into their cocktail if they wanted it to be a bit more sour. You just want to place them side by side, like so. So when the guest drinks the drink, they smell that fresh mint. And that there is a wonderful cocktail for the hot weather and the perfect days. That is the Mojito.
Put my head down, shuffle my feet. You'll never get the best of me. Your sticks and your stones.